Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things with day 22 of March Madness. Switching gears a little bit now, I like masculine or gender neutral cards, having many male people in my family. This is the Bottled Happiness stamp set. It has the dies. I like how the sending cheer in the label, I hand cut that out. I used the brushed metallic dots. It is missing a little bit of trim, but I have the crumb cake trim from the Essentials, and I'm gonna just trim it. I'm trying to finish these off as, you know, I thought they were mostly finished, so as I am videoing them, when I see things, I've got my supplies nearby so that I can quickly do the last piece or two that needs to be done. Typically in card class, we usually do either trim or embellishment, and so when I get home, I will add whatever option is missing or dress them up further if I want them to be more on the advanced side. This is just a very small bow, and I'm going to grab a dot. My favorite adhesive for bows is a dot because it is very sticky, so it will be guaranteed to stick to whatever the trim material is, and it isn't messy like glue. And in a pinch, you can take tear and tape and you can just cut off a really small piece of tear and tape, even roll it up if you had to. I always worry about running out of dots, so I try to keep a supply of them on hand. So there's my little bow. I'll probably trim off this longer piece. All right, and that will finish the outside of this one off. The inside is not decorated. You know, that tells me this is not, I'm wrong. This is not a card class card because we always decorate the insides, and it is triple matted with the dimensional layer. So I bet you this came from the last event that I attended in November in North Carolina. That's got to be what it is. This greenery, you'll notice, was stamped flat, and then the bottle was popped up. I think that's all I've got on this one. This was a nice simple one. I like it, and it's a good gender neutral card, which I've got a few masculines to share. So be sure to tune in tomorrow for day 23. Leave any comments here on the video or over on my blog where you will see the full supplies list. I believe everything on this is current, so everything will be available. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.